का दिन हम प्रत्येक बिहार वासियों के लिए गर्व का दिन है। हमारे बिहार का एक बच्चा बिहार का नाम रोशन किया है और मैं पूरे भरोसे के साथ कह सकता हूं कि ये लड़का एक दिन देश का नाम रोशन करेगा। मैं वैभव सूर्यवंशी को इस उपलब्धि के लिए शुभकामना और बधाई देता हूं। बिहार के जनता को भी इस बात के लिए साधुवाद देता हूं।
और टिप होने वाला है, इसलिए रिस्ट स्पिनर का इसका भी हो रहा है और ये भी एक रिकॉर्ड बना सबसे कम उम्र में खेलने का। इसके लिए और खुशी है और खुशी के साथ साथ अब जो है पहले से और ज्यादा मेहनत करके जो उसको राजस्थान रॉयल खरीदा है उसके भी अति पर खड़ा उतरना है, विश्वास पर, और देश के लिए भी खेलना है। इसके लिए दिन दुगनी और रात चौगुनी और मेहनत करना है।
One of the biggest dangers to our country are negative influencers, dirty influencers. These are people who are there on digital mediums only to get numbers, and what they do has had a very negative effect on our society. We all know about it. But together, you and I can change that. Republic is starting an influencer incubator program where you can be part of creating some world-class content that is nation first, that helps our country, that creates awareness. And you can work with me here on this campus as part of the first phase of the Republic Influencer Incubator program, which is the Positive Influencers program. The Positive Influencers program, which is going to be run from the Republic Media Campus, which is the largest newsroom in Asia, aims to bring together a diverse set of people from across the country. You can work from where you are, you can work with me here on this campus to create content on anything which you feel, if it proliferates, if it spreads, will have a positive impact on our people. It could be in the area of health, technology, defense, awareness, current affairs, politics, or even history, science and technology. I know there are a lot of you out there who have the talent, and all that you want is the reach. And Republic is doing this to give your content the reach. Together, all of us can come together and create a content revolution in our country. The digital medium, the growth of digital in our country is one of the most fascinating things. But you can use it in a positive way for the country, or you can use it in a negative way for our country. There are too many people who are using the digital medium to make a quick buck. But together, all of us, if we become one unit that's working in national interest, that believes in nation first, then through the Positive Influencer program, we can change the way the digital medium works in our country. So come, I welcome you to work with me here on the Republic campus as part of the Positive Influencer program. Here on the Republic Media campus, you will have access to great infrastructure, a warm and welcoming professional environment, and of course, the best production values. Now, if you have the content and you feel it needs the finish, it needs to be worked on, or that you would benefit from working in an environment where there are many other content creators like you, then you can be here. You can work with me here in the Republic newsroom. You can work from home. You can make it 50-50. You can make it work the way you want. As long as you believe that the content you create, and we believe that the content you create, will make our nation number one, will be one solid contribution towards the Viksit Bharat, then you can be part of this wonderful program. The initiative I announced in the presence of the Prime Minister at the Republic Summit, which is the Republic Positive Influencer Program. So come, work with me, work with us. Let's make a difference for our country.